The Fearless Fashion Cross-dresser of the year and the Social Media Fashion and Style Personality of the year. And they go by the names. Should we mention them? Are you ready?
I'm ready.
James Brown and Toby the Creator. You guys say DJ go play that song and maybe they do cartoon for us.
I bet we will cartoon.
Alright, let's go. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, James Brown and Toby the Creator. Let's go.
I'm not joking, I'm a guest, them know me. Since 06, I've been writing the story. I know the OG, but if you ask them know me. The poetry is all you know.
You talk for brand. First of all, the reason I would say is congratulations to both of you.
Oh my God. This is my third award this year. I am so proud of myself. I mean, I want to tell, I think this is a bit special. I don't plan special, which I tell this in my mouth. I want to tell God, say, thank you for what you have done. I'm sure you are expecting me to speak English, yeah? Yeah, I know about story. I'm Nigerian. I'm in Nigeria. So, thank you to my fans. Thank you to every one of you. God bless you. Oh my word. Oh my word. Oh my word. Oh my word. Oh my Tony. Oh, okay. Sorry, I know what to do. And Oga comes out and I don't see you. When I say Omoto, you say Omoto shatter. I know it's been long. I went to school, 9 plus time. But no best, not come back home. Omoto, I did not hear you, girls. My twin girls. Man, no best, I'm in one today. Sorry. Omoto, I don't hear you now. You won't go out tomorrow. You should say you won't go. Omoto, yes, that's my ladies. Thank you guys. Oh my queen.
Alright.
Yeah, good evening ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for these awards and thanks to everyone that stepped out to come and support the little and the family of Mike Mary. We really appreciate this because we are sisters and we are best friends. And most of all, we are stars. And everybody here is a star. Because for you to live your own, and everybody's time is precious, trust me. So, everybody gathered here is a star. Thank you so much. Thank you, Elite.
Alright, congratulations to James Brown and to DJ. They say we play one more song of it.